Well, fall is in full swing here across Northwest Arkansas, and our real estate market is beginning to slow a little bit, as it usually does this time of year. However, inventory is staying relatively low, which is keeping prices on the higher side. And so interest rates are continuing to rise, and that is testing our market. But for now, the lack of homes in the market has kept prices from falling too much. And as you can see right here, our inventory is hovering around 4 months of supply, which means we are still in a seller's market. Now, as autumn begins to set in, and hopefully with more listings lingering on the market for a bit longer, buyers might finally have a chance to lock in a home before the end of the year, and we may even see more room for negotiation, and and those prices may get a little bit better and a little more flexibility on the terms of the contracts as the season rolls on. Now in this chart, you can see the number of active and pending homes in September starting to go just a little bit lower than our level from back in July and August. Now also our number of closed transactions slipped back down from, we were around 1,000 sales and now this went to 840 sales in the month of September. So overall, inventory and closings are both going a little bit lower, which is to be expected this time of year, but because they're both lowering at the same time, it means the speed of the market is actually remaining pretty much unchanged for now, with, again, around that 4 months of supply. And that means that sellers still have the upper hand in this market for now. Now, as for how long properties are staying in the market, we're on our way back up, with September's average days coming in at 81. On the last monthly market update, I predicted longer days on market coming into the fall season. But we haven't seen days that long since all the way back before the COVID era. Okay, now this is good news for buyers, because the longer that we have homes sitting on the market, the more willing those sellers are going to be to negotiate better prices and terms. Now also, those median days on market came in at 69 days. So with a 30 to 45 day closing period for most transactions, this means that most homes are still finding a contract within the first few weeks of being listed. And also, I do want to point out here that new construction homes are not included in this data set, just due to the time that it takes to complete the building process. Sometimes they're under contract for a long time, and so that will always tend to pull these averages upward. And so, if I included those, that wouldn't be a good indication of how long it actually takes to sell your house, so I stripped those out for this particular part. In terms of pricing, our average home sale price back in May was at an all-time record for our area at $437,000. And since that time, our prices have fallen a little bit back down to around that $400,000 baseline that I've been expecting. And of course, our September number came in at $401,941. The median price even came up a little bit this month to $350,000 from August $341,000. Now I expect this average pricing level to continue, again, around $400,000 as we move through the fall. And as we see a rebound in inventory and as interest rates remain high, we will see a more balanced market this fall and winter. Prices should normalize, and I don't expect to see new highs for the rest of the year. Although I don't see prices going drastically lower either. Average prices per square foot around the area held around $200 a square foot this month. Bentonville being the standout at $219 a square foot, Fayetteville at $206, and in the counties, Benton County was $203, and Washington County was $194. Mortgage rates are making new highs once again, currently at about 7.31%. This is keeping mortgage payments unaffordable for many potential buyers. It's creating a dampening effect on the true pent-up demand for homes in our market, and that's why we're recommending that buyers actually take advantage of the opportunities that we will see this fall in order to scoop up a good deal. We should see more inventory, longer days on market, and sellers are going to be a little more willing to negotiate as that buyer pool shrinks. So if you are one of those buyers who's shopping right now while none of your competition is, you're going to get a better deal. So here's what all this means for you. Our Northwest Arkansas real estate market, again, losing a little bit of steam as we're winding down into the fall. So right now, I'm seeing a big opportunity. I can't stress this enough. I'm seeing a big opportunity for you buyers as more inventory should build into the slower months. If you've been thinking about making a move, now is a really good time because you can shop as we slide into a slower market, often with price reductions, especially on these larger properties, and you'll have less competition. And if rates drop in the coming years, you can refinance at that time for increased savings. But if mortgage rates fall in the future, I'm going to expect another flood of buyers coming back into the market and competing for the homes that are available. So in that scenario, prices will jump even higher from the current levels. So locking in a good price right now may be a very, very good bet. Then, if you can refinance into a lower rate, you're going to actually have the best of both worlds because you can have today's lower prices and hopefully tomorrow's lower rates. As always, our lender partners can fill you in on all your options, so reach out to me. I'll get you in touch with the best pros in the area. But they can walk you through all the different mortgage programs, some that may even allow you to buy down your rate right now. A lot of different options that are out there. And also, we've put together a program to find hidden inventory, even off-market homes for you without all the hassle and the competition from the other buyers. This has been our #1 strategy to get you and your family out of your current home and into your dream home. So let's see what we can find together. Just on our website, go to Buy a House, click the Perfect Home Finder program. It'll bring you right here to a 16-minute video that'll walk you through all the details. And to see the strategies that we've been implementing to sell for the most that the market will bear, regardless of the time of the year that we're in, watch our pre-listing price accelerator guide. And that is on our website. Go to Sell Your House, pre-listing price accelerator. Brings you to this video, and it'll walk you through everything we've been doing at the LoneRock team to get amazing results for our home sellers. With all that being said, I hope you have a spooky good time here in October. Please go enjoy some fall time festivities. Once again, I'm Coley Bailey with the LoneRock home team here at Fathom Realty, and I'll catch you on the next monthly market update.